This tutorial video is about triangle theorems. Please take notes as we go so you can use the notes to help you on your quiz. This is one of the theorems, the triangle sum theorem. Basically that the sum of the three angles inside a triangle always add up to 180. Here is another one, the third angle theorem. If two angles of a triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, the third angle is also congruent. So angle C would have to be congruent to angle F. Then there's the exterior angle theorem, which says that an exterior angle like this one, hold on, I need a pen. Alright, so this would be an exterior angle, for example. And it would equal the sum of these two remote interior angles. Alright, the two interior angles that are not right next to it. So for example, if this was, let's say, 85 degrees, and this one over here was, let's say, you know what, that's pretty big. Let's not say 85 degrees. If this was 55 degrees and this was 45 degrees, then this angle would have to be 100 degrees. 55 plus 45 is 100. So that's what that theorem is saying. Okay, let's see. Exterior angle inequality theorem. Well, this sort of follows directly from this, but it's saying an exterior angle like this one has got to be bigger than either of these. It's got to be bigger than angle 3 and it's got to be bigger than angle 4. But obviously, I mean, if the measure of angle 1 is equal to the sum of the other two, alright, if it's equal to the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4, then obviously it has to be bigger than either one of these by itself. You know, obviously the measure of angle 1 has to be bigger than angle 3, alright, because it's equal to angle 3 plus some other stuff. So I'm not even sure why this one is necessary, but hey, we got it if we need it. Alright, now armed with those theorems, we'll refer back to them. Let's see if we can answer some questions. Okay, if the measure of angle X is 34 degrees, alright, so this is 34 degrees, and the measure of angle Z is 26 degrees, so that's 26 degrees. What is the measure of angle Y? Alright, the measure of angle Y. Let's just call it Y for now. Well, they have to add up to 180 degrees, according to the first theorem that we talked about. Yeah, the triangle sum theorem. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So they have to add up to 180. So that means angle Y plus 34 plus 26, that all has to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so let's see, what's 34 plus 26? That's 60. So we have measure angle Y plus 60 has to equal 180. If you subtract 60 from both sides, okay, so that is 120. So the measure of angle Y has to be 120. So this should be the answer right here at the bottom. And there you go. Okay, what is the value of X? Well, it seems like we're going to use that theorem that says the exterior angle has to equal the sum of the two remote interior angles. Okay, so let's use that. So this 9x over here must equal the sum of these two. Alright, this plus this has to equal that. So 9x should equal 5x plus 9 plus x. Okay, so it's just a matter of solving this equation for x. So 5x plus x is 6x. All right, just combining like terms, and then you've got the 9. Subtracting 6x from both sides, that leaves you with 3x is equal to 9. Dividing both sides by 3 leaves you with x is equal to 3. So yeah, that should be the answer to the question. Boom, there you go, 3. All right, what's next? Which statements are always true regarding the diagram? Check all that apply. All right, so I guess we have to take each one of these one at a time. So the measure of angle 5, okay, that's right here, plus the measure of angle 3, will that always equal the measure of angle 1? Yes, so that's that theorem that says an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So this plus this have to equal that. That's one of those theorems. So yep, that's always going to be true. Okay, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 add up to 180. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Alright, so I can just stop you there. Angle 3 and angle 4 already make 180 degrees. So I see the angle 3 and angle 4, they together they make a straight line. So that's 180 degrees right there. You add in another angle 5, that's going to be definitely bigger than 180 degrees. So that's false immediately, so it's definitely not always true. Now, if they had said angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 2, that would equal 180. All right? Or if they had just stopped at angle 3 and angle 4, that's 180. Angle 5, 86. Angle 5 and angle 6 add up to 180. Angle 1 and angle 2, straight line, 180. All right, that's just extra knowledge. You're welcome. Oh, look, I just answered one of the questions. Angle 5 and angle 6 always equal 180. Yeah. Angle 5 and angle 6 together form a straight angle. All right? See how they make a straight line side by side? All right? That has to be 180 degrees when when it forms a straight line like that. So, yeah, that's always true. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals angle 6. All right, here's angle 2, here's angle 3, and there's angle 6. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals angle 6. Yeah, again, this is an exterior angle, and you have the two remote interior angles. So these two added up always are going to equal this one. So yeah, that's always true. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equals 180. I think I even said that earlier. Yeah, those are the three angles inside the triangle, and yeah, we know that the angles inside a triangle always add up to 180. So that should always be true. So basically, all of these are true except for the second one. All right. Now, what is the value of x? Okay, so once again, we have an exterior angle and we have the two remote interior angles. So we have now learned that the sum of these two should always equal this one. So x should equal 35 plus 58. Yeah, I can do that in my head, but I don't feel like it. 35 plus 58, it's 93. So x should equal 93. So that should be this right here. Go, go. Let's see. Which angle's measure is equal to the sum of the measures of BAC and BCA. Okay, I feel like using my highlighter. So angle BAC. So BAC. Notice what's right in the middle is angle A. So this is where you should be focusing. So we're talking about this angle over here. And BCA. See how C is in the middle? So that's the one you should be focusing on, is the C right here. So we're talking about those two angles. The sum of those two angles should equal to what other angle? So these are two interior angles. So we're asking what is the exterior angle that's on the other side of them. So look, we've got these exterior angles here, and we've got an exterior angle here, and we've got an exterior angle here. These have to be remote interior angles. Remote meaning far away. So we don't want these exterior angles that are right next to the interior angles. See how they're touching? So that's a no. See how these are touching? That's a no. It's these two that are far away from the exterior angle. That's the relationship. So these two yellows should add up to the blue. Okay? So you've seen me do this many times. The sum of these two should equal this one that's further away. So that is angle CBE, or they could have called it angle EBC. All right, as long as the B is in the middle, then that's the one that we want. So let's see, CBE or EBC. There it is. CBE is right here. Boom. And there you go. Alright, looks like that is the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you took good notes. Please use them on your quiz. Good luck.